Every year, the world eats more than 100 billion bananas. They're cheap, they're everywhere, and they never seem to disappear from store shelves. But here's the question most people never ask. How does a fruit grown only in the tropics arrive fresh in cities thousands of kilometers away? Every single day. Behind each banana is a hidden system. Cloned plants, massive plantations, harvesting teams working at sunrise, and refrigerated ships crossing entire oceans. This is not just farming. This is one of the most precisely timed food supply chains on Earth. Welcome back to AgriTech Smart. Today, we uncover how bananas are grown, harvested, shipped, and ripened at a scale that feeds the world. The banana is the most consumed tropical fruit on the planet, with more than 120 million tons produced globally each year. It is a fruit so familiar that its presence is often taken for granted. Stacked in supermarkets, sold on street corners, and eaten daily by billions of people. Yet behind this simple yellow fruit lies one of the most carefully engineered agricultural systems in the world. Bananas are not just tropical by coincidence, they are shaped by the tropics. This fruit thrives where the air is warm year-round, where sunlight arrives in steady rhythms, and where rainfall follows predictable patterns. Temperatures between 26 and 30 degrees Celsius allow banana plants to grow continuously, without the seasonal pauses seen in temperate crops. In these regions, the plant never truly rests. It grows, flowers, and bears fruit in an uninterrupted cycle. Unlike many fruit trees, banana plants are fragile giants. Their broad leaves capture sunlight efficiently, but also make them vulnerable to wind and cold. Even a short exposure to low temperatures can damage the plant's internal structure, slowing growth or halting fruit development entirely. That is why commercial banana farming is concentrated near the equator, in places like Ecuador, Costa Rica, Colombia, and the Philippines, where climate stability is not a luxury, but a requirement. Here, the soil is deep, fertile, and often enriched by volcanic activity. Combined with natural drainage and abundant moisture, these conditions allow banana roots to expand quickly. In this environment, a banana plant can complete its full production cycle in less than a year, a speed unmatched by most fruit crops. The tropics do not simply support banana farming. They make it possible. Every banana you see on a supermarket shelf looks familiar, and that is no accident. Modern banana plantations are built on uniformity. Almost all export bananas belong to a single variety, Cavendish, grown not from seeds, but from cloned plantlets. These plants begin their lives in laboratories, where tissue culture technology allows thousands of identical banana plants to be produced from a single parent. This process eliminates genetic variation, ensuring consistent size, flavor, and ripening behavior across entire plantations. In an industry where timing and predictability are everything, genetic uniformity becomes a powerful tool. These young plants spend approximately 7 weeks in greenhouses, growing under controlled humidity and temperature until they reach about 40 centimeters in height. Only once their roots and leaves are strong enough are they ready to leave the laboratory environment and begin life in the field. Every plant becomes part of a living system, monitored and adjusted throughout its life. This is not traditional farming driven by intuition alone. It is agriculture guided by data, repetition, and control, where consistency across millions of plants is the foundation of global supply. The seedlings are transplanted into carefully prepared fields with rich organic soil, constant sunlight, reliable water supply, and efficient drainage. Bananas are fast-growing plants with high water demand. Each plant requires around 35 liters of water per day to sustain healthy growth. As the plant develops, protective bracts form around the flowers, shielding the future fruit. Once the banana bunch begins to emerge, farmers wrap it in a permeable protective bag. This bag allows light and air to pass through while blocking insects, reducing wind damage and improving fruit uniformity. As the bananas mature, careful quality control begins even before harvest. The flowers at the tips of the bananas are removed in a process known as early defloring, allowing the fruit to develop evenly and reach uniform size. Approximately 3 months after flowering, the bananas reach physiological maturity. Although still green, they are fully developed and ready for harvest. From planting to harvest, the entire growth cycle takes between 9 and 12 months, depending on climate and field conditions. Each plant produces one heavy bunch, sometimes weighing over 40 kilograms, and once that bunch is cut, the plant's role is finished. Workers move carefully through dense rows, supporting the fruit as it is separated from the stem to prevent bruising. Speed matters, but precision matters more. A damaged banana may never reach the market. To move fruit efficiently, many plantations rely on overhead cable systems. Suspended hooks carry freshly harvested bunches from the field to the packing facility, gliding silently above the soil. This system minimizes handling, reduces labor strain, and keeps bananas off the ground, preserving quality from the first moment after harvest. In large operations, thousands of bunches move along these lines every day. The field becomes a flowing network, not of people, but of fruit in motion. Harvesting is no longer just manual labor. It is logistics, timing, and scale working together under the tropical sun. The moment bananas enter the packing plant, agriculture gives way to precision processing. Here, time becomes the most valuable resource. Freshly harvested bunches are unloaded and separated into smaller clusters called hands. These are washed gently to remove latex and field residue, then inspected under bright lighting. Any fruit that fails to meet quality standards is removed immediately. Export bananas must look perfect: uniform size, clean skin, and intact structure. Workers and machines operate side by side. Each banana is weighed, sorted, and placed into cartons designed for airflow and protection. Most boxes are packed to exact specifications, ensuring consistency across shipments that may travel thousands of kilometers. From field to box, the entire process often takes less than a day. The goal is simple: lock in freshness before ripening begins. Once sealed, the boxes move directly into temperature-controlled storage, ready for the next stage of their journey. From cloned seedlings grown in laboratories to tropical fields stretching beyond the horizon, the journey of a banana is far more complex than it appears. Every bunch carries the work of farmers, engineers, logistics teams, and an agricultural system designed to move with precision and timing. What seems like an ordinary fruit is, in reality, the result of one of the most carefully coordinated food supply chains on Earth, operating quietly, efficiently, and at massive scale to feed billions every single day. This is modern agriculture, not just about growing crops, but about connecting land, technology, and people across the globe. Thank you for watching AgriTech Smart. If you enjoy cinematic stories about how food is grown, harvested, and delivered to the world, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow the channel. Your support helps us continue exploring the future of farming. And now we'd love to hear from you. Which crop or farming system should we explore next on AgriTech Smart? Share your ideas in the comments below.